Hello friends, today is our 10th question of our video series on electrical interview questions and answers with explanation. Today's question is, what does 5P20 mean in the city? Usually the class of city is indicated as 5P20. What does it mean? You can see here in the figure, the class of city is 5P20. What does this code indicate us? We can divide the 5P20 into three parts, 5P and 20. 5 is called as the composite error, and P indicates the class of city, that is P indicates the protection class. There are two class of cities, or usually three class of cities are. One is protection class, another is metering class, and third is the special protection class. Here the P indicates the protection class, and the 20 indicates the accuracy limit factor. Now, what is the accuracy limit factor? It means that if the current in the primary circuit of the city is 20 times the rated current, the core of the city does not get saturated, that it can work safely up to that point. Up to the 20 times of the rated current, the city will work properly. What is composite error? It means the error in the output of the city when the current in the primary circuit is 20 times the rated current of the city is plus minus 5%. That means when the current in the primary circuit is 20 times of the rated current, the output of the city, the output we get is have an error of plus minus 5%. Thank you.